SunGuard's London City Days, and I'm talking with Giles Bedford of Beltone Financial, and we're going to talk today about emerging markets, specifically in North Africa and Egypt. So Africa, it was in the press a few months ago with a huge political upheaval and developments. How much interest is there in this region right now?
Well, it's an interesting period of time. What we've had is a nonviolent, non-religious revolution in a very large country by population. And that is changing the investment framework going forward. So what you've seen is a period of time where the country essentially outgrew the previous government. We then had a market closure. The market reopened. A number of institutions pulled out because they were concerned about risk. And now that money is trickling back in again. What the market would like to see is elections, and they would like to see an IMF program, and all of these things are forthcoming, we hope, in the third and fourth quarter. So it's a very exciting period to be following Egypt. Lots of change, and we think lots of opportunity.
I mean, in terms of, in a context of electronic trading, is this region gaining more interest because of new investment opportunities, or because it's almost sort of an infrastructure technological greenfield site?
Really both, really both. Let's talk about opportunities in the region. If we think about, for example, hospital beds, the region needs 4 hospital beds for every one that it has currently. If we think about mortgages, we need a mortgage market. If we think about electronic trading, it's always been an inefficient, difficult market to access. That's starting to change. One of the features of revolutions is you get rethinks on structural issues. From an electronic point of view, the ability to access these markets and to improve your efficiency really is an important catalyst.
What are some of the other things driving the wholesale markets in not just Egypt, but in sort of the North Africa region in general?
It's demand. We have demand. If you look at our companies, if you look at our factories, you look at what people are doing business-wise, these businesses are growing. You know the IMF is going to be placing exports at the centerpiece of their strategy for the region going forward. Most of our factories need more capacity to address that issue. We've got plenty of labor, which is low cost and very close to Europe. It's an exciting time.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.